All right, you guys, I'm going to walk you through our process of engraving this board. This is an end grain cutting board we've got, and here we are just getting our dimensions, width and length of the board, and we can add that right into Adobe Illustrator. And we're just getting all of our presets set up, and it's a pretty easy, straightforward process. Once you've walked through it a few times, it's definitely can feel daunting, if it's your first time, but don't hesitate to just jump right in there and tackle it. And here we are just getting a few different samples available for our client. I'm working with some fonts that I know will cut easily with my 16th inch upcut bit. Here I am just adding a couple different options for the customer, some samples so she can choose what font she likes the best. And this is the one that we're going with. It's called Athletus. And I'm creating an outline on the font, and then I am just adding a very small 16th inch radius to the letters. Here we are dropping in our 16th inch upcut bit, laying down 3 rows of tape. That's what the machine likes to see. And total time here was maybe 10 minutes from start to finish. I ran my first pass at 1/16 of an inch just to see. That was definitely not deep enough, so took it down to 1/8 of an inch. Was on auto most of the time, which is really helpful on a trickier font or a font that has more feet, like a serif font. Auto can be very helpful. My J got messed up, but you didn't see it on the video, so I did a 0.05 offcut and was able to clean it up really easily. Here we are. Now this was really rough to touch when I first cut it, and then I added in our engraving bit on 45 degree, and here we are. And then at 0.04 depth, I did a couple passes to see when we started to just barely kiss
kind of zoom in on the bit
of that letter
with your hand.
0.04 definitely was the ticket. Was able to add a really nice chamfer on the inside of all the letters. It really helped to clean it up, but it also helped to smooth out the letters. And here we are just running through again, double checking. You can see at the beginning there, I was checking it 3 or 4 different times. Didn't want to go too deep. And here we are. This is pretty oiled. This is a cherry maple. There's some white ash in here, and zebra wood, and purple heart. But there it is after the chamfer is added. It's a very slight 45-degree chamfer to the top of that cut. Really slick. I would say ease into that cut. Don't just go really deep or the same depth as what you engraved it at. Resanding everything down, getting ready to oil, did our water spray, raised the grain, and we're adding some food grade mineral oil, and this is always the rewarding part.
Okay. Come up close on the lid.
And here we are, the gratuitous shot of the end grain cutting board. All done. Thanks for watching and sticking around. James with Mahogany House Woodworks. Reach out to us if you have a board in mind or you would like some engraving done.